Saludos, estudiantes. We're starting at the foundation of Spanish today, the alphabet, el alfabeto. Let's focus on clear sounds and confident pronunciation. As I say the name of each letter, you'll see the phonetic pronunciation in parentheses on the screen to help guide you. After we go through all the letters once, we'll hear them again so you can practice. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Now, some letters have more than one accepted name, depending on the country or tradition. Don't worry, they all refer to the same letter. Let's continue. B. You may also hear ube. Something else about this letter is that this B, the letter V, and B, the letter B, have the same name and the same sound. Doble B. You may also hear doble U. X, Y. You may also hear Y. And finally, zeta. Now, let's go through the letters again. This time, repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, B, W, X, Y, Z. Excelente! If you'd like to learn more about Spanish vowels and special consonant sounds, be sure to check out our video on Spanish pronunciation. You can find the link in the description below. Before we continue, I want to take a moment to say thank you to all our viewers and subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you can do that right now. I really appreciate your support. It truly helps our channel grow. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, our brand new alphabet song. Enjoy and sing along.
Give me ABCs in Spanish, please. You bet. Come on, sing 'em this way. Follow along with me. Say A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Doing that sway.
H, I, J, K, L,
little bonus for you. Head over to our sister channel, EduRap, to watch the full video version of this song with a fun twist. You'll find that link in the description as well. Thanks again, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video.